everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Eileen, and this is Eileen Ashley is Red Hot and Flashy. I'm really excited about today's video. Online Makeup Academy reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in taking one of their courses called the Makeup Master Program in exchange for my honest review. And let me tell you something, I was so excited about this. For all you guys who've been here, you know that I am not a professional makeup artist. I might have been doing makeup for, 40 some odd years. I know, I'm old, but I was never professionally trained. Well, I'm happy to say now I am. While the Online Makeup Academy is also a school in New York City, I'm from New Jersey, you could easily take the courses from all over the world, anywhere you are, anytime you want. Doesn't matter what your age is, there's no requirement for age. And it is so much cheaper than going into the school. What I personally like about online courses is you get to do it at your own pace. So if you are somebody that maybe learns a little slower, you know, it happens, or you are just busy with life and you can't, squeeze in an actual school, this might be the program for you. So now the course is comprised of some lectures, some demos, quizzes, and homework. Once you've completed the course, you'll receive an OMACA approved professional certificate. It was pretty intense because I wanted to complete the program before I gave the review. Even though it wasn't required, I wanted to do it. So to say the least, that was intense. But what I did was all of the lectures I listened to in my car while I was driving. It was great. And if I had any questions, I would just remember in my head, I got to go back and rewatch that so that I could actually watch it instead of just listen to it. But it was really fun. I actually enjoyed my rides listening to all that. For me, I would sometimes go to YouTube or other social media to get inspiration and ideas. And if I didn't know how to do something, I would watch videos. And it wasn't always easy because, let's just say, I'm working on my complexion. And my favorite YouTuber happens to be much darker than me. It's kind of hard to learn from watching them put it on to know what kind of products I should be using. Well, in these classes, they teach you all that. You're going to learn how to apply makeup on different skin tones, different ethnicities, skin types, textures, ages, all different people. They teach you about face shapes and placement of bronzer and blush, and where do you put it for an oval face or a long face or round. It teaches you all that. What's really cool too is you get a one-on-one personal tutor or mentor. Once you submit your homework, you submit it to that person, and they take the time to actually make a video and give you feedback on it. And they're not afraid to tell you when you've screwed up. Trust me. And you have the opportunity, of course, to submit your homework as many times as you want until you feel that you've got it right. And the tutors, they're all professionals, so they certainly know what they're doing. Your mentor isn't just there to not grade your homework, you don't get graded, but to give feedback for your homework. She's also there for any questions you might have. Like, for instance, I had 2 questions and I just emailed her, and she literally made another video just to answer those questions. And she did a really great job. I never felt like judged or bad about my mistakes, because I did make mistakes. I mean, don't we all? Even the pros make mistakes sometimes. I never felt bad about it. I felt like the way that they gave that feedback was just, here's the thing. Okay. So they told me what I did that they loved. And then they told me what I could have done better, it made me feel good because I was like, oh, they love that. At one point, I thought I did terrible on a look and they loved it. So I think we're much harder on ourselves than others are on us. The good thing about it too is once you join, you have access for life as well as access to your mentors. Another really good perk is what's called a pro card. That's right. You're a professional now. You shouldn't be paying full price for makeup, especially if you're going to go into the industry and do clients. I personally am not going to be doing clients. I'm on social media. However, I still get 40% off from certain companies. And that's a godsend because I'm not in on anybody's PR, so I purchase all the makeup on my own. But you never know. I might want to do makeup one day and I'm going to need that. So do I think it's worth it for somebody who's not going to go into makeup? Of course not. However, if you want to be a makeup artist or even utilize this program to build up your skills for your social media, such as what I did, I think it's definitely worth it. And they gave me a discount for you guys. I'm going to leave their link and that discount code in the description below. But it's Red Hot and Flashy, $100 off. That's right, $100 off. I have to say that although the training was intense for me because I did it in like 3 weeks, I guess. I would say 3 weeks. You don't have to do it that quickly. I wanted to. I chose to do that. But you have to remember, it is also what you make of it. Take the time to go through the lectures, ask questions because they will respond, do the homework. And if they give you feedback that is something that you can do better, which they probably will. I mean, you know, we could always do better on everything we do. Try and redo it. Take their advice, implement it into your look, send it back to them and see what they say. Again, it's what you make of it. And I have to say that I'm kind of bored driving now. I really did enjoy listening to the lectures while I was on the road. But they're always going to be there for me, so I can still do it. Anything new that's added, I'll have access to it. So what do you think of my makeup today? Do you think I'm getting better at it? I asked my daughter before I started filming, how does my makeup look? And she said, it's good. And I said, no, does it look professional? And she said, what do you mean by professional? I said, does it look like a makeup artist did it? And she said, yes. I said, don't lie to me. Tell me the truth. I won't get mad. And she's like, no, Mom, it does. It looks like a makeup artist did it. And that made me feel good. That made me say, you know what? I guess I learned a lot. I'm going to show you some of the homework assignments that I did. I hope you enjoy them. And remember, go to the description below. You'll see the link for Online Makeup Academy along with my discount code. What did you guys think? I hope you enjoyed looking at it and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do I recommend the school? I sure do. I really, really, really enjoyed it and I learned quite a few things. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. Come join the family. Until next time, everybody. Bye.